Hi friends, today we have next video series, so that is on computer vision. So as we know that our main concept of no object detection or object segmentation, that is basically on purely on computer vision application. So which is nothing but no if we talk about object detection, so that is classification plus localization, like that. So today in this video we will see how we can import images. So this is very basic video to start this series. So before wasting our time, let's get started. But before that, I would again request you to please do like, share and subscriber are very important for us. So let's start. So importing different images. So we use PIL, that is PIL library. So Python image library is a free open source additional library for the Python programming language that adds support for opening, manipulating and saving many different images file format. So from PIL we import images. So image name, so you can take any of your image from your root directory. So let's say we have one.gif, so it use all the different type of images available in the folder. So with image.open, image name as image, and then it will return the image width and image height, right? So this way you can import the image, you can read the image simply by with image dot open, image name as image, and then width height equals to image dot size. So then we are displaying the image on Python console. So importing a single image first. So we have one more image, so you can also include any random image from your local directory, or you can give the path of the image URL, right? So with image dot open, image name as image, again width height is the image dot size, so image width and height we are getting this, and again image dot open, so it will open the image. So you can see that it has opened the image beautifully, right? Now we import image folder. So we use cv2. So opencv is a library of a programming function mainly aimed at real-time computer vision, originally developed by Intel. It was later supported by Willow Garage than it sees. The library is cross-platform and free for use under the open source BSD license. So here we install the opencv, then we import cv2 os glob. So glob is again nothing but the module finds all the path names matching, right? So image directory, so we have the this image directory. So this is basically the directory at our local machine, and inside this directory we have put many images. So just path equals to os.path.join image directory, right? So here star is used to extract all the file in the directory. So g is basically get the path. Now directory files equals to zlob.zlob path, then data. So we are first having empty list, then for file in directory files img equals to cv2.image file, data.append image. So directory list equals to next os.walk image directory 2, then directory list. So here you can see that we got all these images inside the directory. Now Python's way of importing and storing images. So we can store and import images in the array format. So for that like data of 0, so that is 0th image. So it will return all the parameter of the images like width, height and their dimension, or we can say all the box points, right, of the images. Now dynamic image display, so library. So import PIL again, right? Import from PIL import image. So import input from user, so enter the image number. So user will enter the image number, right? So from the directory. So let's say when we run the code, so it asked us the enter the image number, user entered 4. Then what it will do with image dot open path plus directory list number as img, width equals to, width and height equals to image size, and printing the image width and height, and then finally displaying the path plus the directory list of number, right? So this is what we have provided here, and the same image that we have got here. Now GUI to browse the image and display image. So TK Inter. So again, TK Inter is very useful library. We use to Python binding to the TK GUI toolkit. So it is the standard Python interface to the TK GUI toolkit and is Python's de facto standard GUI. So here we have TK Inter, import all the library, PIL import image TK image, right? TK Inter image file dialog. So it will basically open a prompt and open a dialog box, and there you can see the image there, right? After importing these, we are creating a function display the image. So displaying the image, select the image name from a folder, x equals to dialog box, then open the image. So im equals to image dot open, image resizing, apply HQ downsampling filter. So it will resize the image by 250 by 250 and passing the image dot alias. Then im equals to image tk dot photo image, so it will add image weight, right? Then label panel equals to label window image equals to im, setting the image panel dot image equals to im and panel dot grid equals to row equals to 2. Then dialog box, we have file name dialog dot ask open file name, right? So that will open that pane, right? And then return the file name. Finally calling the TK Inter window, so window equals to TK, that function will call to show the dialog, and window dot title, so that will show the title or on computer vision intro to images GUI window title, right? Then window geometry, so this is the size of our window size, that the GUI image resolution size. And finally browse button, so browse button equals to button window text browse image, command display grid row equals to 1, column span 4, and window main loop. So if we run this code, so here let me first comment this, running this. So here you can see that the default windows is opened with the size that we have given, but we can resize it according to our need, right? And from this button you can easily browse any image, so it will redirect us to my local directly, opening it as pan, right? And you can easily select your image from here, right? So this was all about this, like how you can work with images in the computer vision. We'll be back with some interesting case studies and some interesting material with you guys. Till then, all the best. If you liked it, please do like, share and subscribe. That will help us a lot. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. All the best.